It's not so much now about the question of whether you are setting Al-Mustapha free. You see, it's to question the entire environment of justice itself. Because somebody was killed, and it was an act of state murder. So if Al-Mustapha's and co were not the killers, then who are the killers? That's to show you that you operate in an environment where justice cannot be gotten.
The Lagos State government may be contemplating going on appeal on this, and we may not have heard about the final matter concerning Mustapha's trial, murder trial.
Because justice in most cases is not much to the victim. The victim is dead now. You can't bring back a life that is lost. So justice in this case should be to the society. But when you have a judicial environment, you see there is already structures against delivering of justice. It means that people can use the state to commit murder at any point in time and they will get away with it. So what is clear today is that the present state as represented is not different from the Abacha state in the disregard for the rule of law, in promoting an environment of anarchy. The onus of proof should lie with the state. You see, on this matter, the state should now tell us who killed so and so persons. Because we are talking of the security officers that have been indicted at various levels. So it's not so much enough in terms of witnesses that are presented. It's so much in terms of the judicial system being able to unravel who are the perpetrators of that.
Well, Frederick Fasheun have always been speaking in favor of Al-Mustapha, even while the trial lasted. If at the time he was one of the campaigners leading to the call that he should be released from prison, that there is no evidence against him in this matter. So I cannot really place his role honestly in this matter, because these are people that actually stood with Mr. Abiola himself, Chief Abiola, during his travel, to the extent that even the issue of June 12 that is being celebrated every year, the Southwest have always been very vocal about naming 12th of June as a democracy day. So I can't place his role. I can't place the relationship that he has built over the years with Mustapha. I don't know what Mustapha must have done for him, or he has done for Mustapha, that must have established such a bond to the extent that even he's ready to sacrifice the Yoruba's interest, for the sake of this relationship. So I can't place it. But what I know is that he has always been in the forefront in campaigning for the release of Mustapha.
Let people go and look at what was Fasheun's statement when this murder charge was fresh. You see, I'll just end it at that level. What does Fasheun know about justice?
The particular stand he has taken over this matter, he flew to Kano and then even drove around Kano with him, and then calling him a hero. So a hero in what sense? Is he a hero in terrorism that he unleashed on Nigerians during Abacha's period? Is he a hero that this man made Nigerians to be so afraid of their country during the reign of Abacha? Or a hero that many lives, were lost, people were killed and pursued into foreign countries during the reign of this man, Mustapha, as a chief security officer of Abacha? Is he what makes him a hero? So I think the man needs to properly explain this heroism that is attached to Mustapha at this point in time, so that we can really understand the perspective that he's taking this matter to.
So when you see people, doing a 360-degree turn over what they may have represented in the past, it must be clear that there's an element, of corrupt atrocity somewhere. Fasheun could not be doing that for any reasons. What were the statement of Fasheun? Between the death of Kudirat, when he was also released from the Abacha Gulag, and his subsequent statement, where this trial was fresh, beyond the twist. I think that is the only way to appreciate whatever is the reactions of Fasheun that you're having now. So it's not in any context in terms of whether it's objective he's trying to see himself as a detribalized Nigerian, or whether he's trying to speak on the side of justice.